So, how do you use TikTok Shop without an iPhone? So, for today's for today's video, I'm using an Android device. So, if we don't have any iPhone, we can use this Android phone for our TikTok Shop. So, simply download the TikTok Shop via Google Play Store, and after downloading, just like this, you just need to click on Seller Center. Now here, as you can see, I've already logged in my account, and you would have to verify your shop. So you need to verify your shop through your documents. So you just need to complete this. So if you want, you can be an individual and you need to just name your shop name, select a product category. There's a lot of categories here you can choose from. And after doing so, you would need to pick a valid ID of your choosing, and after doing so, you'd need to get a certification of registration. So this thing is depends on the country you are in. So for my country, the Philippines, you would need a certificate of registration from the Bureau of Internal Revenue. And after doing that, you would need to add some additional contact information. So you just need to add either your phone number, and you would need to verify your phone number after sending a code. After you're all done with this, your TikTok shop would be completed. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.